Thank you very much, Chloe. Okay, Coach Morris.
Hi, Chloe.
Hello.
I love the outfit, di ba? Eh, hindi ka pa kumakata, wow, sa ito parang, ano to ready to okay? You are already a star, hindi ka pa kumakanta, Chloe. Don't you know that? Okay? You are beautiful, ang ganda ng outfit, pang performance attire talaga siya, okay? Bagay siya sa song mo din, dahil yung kanta mo, upbeat, it's all about, di ba, meron din dito, although I'm not that familiar with the song, but a few lines, I remember yung We Can Be Heroes, diba? Siguro something like that, yung the story of the song is, okay? Okay, ang ganda ng performance mo with matching choreography, yung mga dance steps, kasi nung nagturo sa'yo with IBS. Sir Carlo, at palakpakan mo natin si Sir Carlo. So, you have to be thankful kay Coach Carlo kasi pinag-isipan niya ni Coach. Pero hindi, no? Seriously speaking, I love the choreography. Okay, bagay siya kasi may mga parts, di ba, ang dami mga instrumental parts na pwedeng wala ka naman gawin, pero you did choreography on those parts kasi nakakatulong siya para hindi nagkakaroon ng dead spot with your performance. That's very good, okay? So, thankful din tayo dapat kay Coach Carlo doon. Stage performance, ito na sinabi ko kanina, you have that I love your smile. Di ba, hindi ka pa kumakanta, parang ako din ang papagitin kasi ang ganda ng smile mo, okay? So, na-affectuhan mo yung audience with your smile. So, in that way, you are able to connect with your audience even more, okay? You have that arm work, kung sinabi ko kanina, may blockings ka rin, in choreography, very good when it comes to your performance. Siguro sa stage performance na lang, a little more groove na lang sa chorus part. Kasi di ba yung sa chorus part, medyo nag-drop ka lang ng konti with your performance. Pero most parts of the song, you are able to perform well. Okay? When it comes to your voice quality, ang ganda ng quality ng boses mo. Ganun din kami na sinabi ko kanina sa one of the practice tours. Ang ganda ng crystal clear yung boses mo. More on ang placement mo with your voice is more on sa nasa brilliant side na characteristic ng voice quality, okay? And also, ang ganda ng placement mo when it comes to your artificial voice, mga di ba? Ang galing mo doon sa part na yun, di ba? Naturo din definitely ng coach na nag-handle sa'yo. Si Sir Carlo. Okay? Overall, sobrang ang galing mo, okay? Congratulations!
Congratulations, Okay, next. Okay, our next performer